Hi, Sensei. Good morning, or good afternoon, actually. How are you?
Okay. Yeah, I'm now challenging my physical condition right now, but I put a whole effort to do this. Please bear with me. And so I skipped some area because my body function not perfect function right now. But I can smile, so meditate,
Good.
close eye and breathe in, hug yourself, and breathe out. Within, hold it, and breathe out. Within, breathe out. Relax. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。No matter what, still ありがとう。お世話になります。お世話になります。お世話になります。Thank you taking care of me. おめでとうございます。おめでとうございます。おめでとうございます。Congratulations each every day. ありがとうございます。Okay, today is the topic is oh, first of all, this is my class, Shin of the Mind, Body, Spirit, where Mind, Body, Spirit calligraphy. アメリカで、にも負けずに行う。That means unbeaten by rain or wind. So that's today's topic. And the late Mr. Kenji Miyazawa, famous Japanese poet and fairy tale writer, the kind of writer for the children. He made a children's book also, and some novel. But passed away at the age of 38. But left many amazing books, including one titled Unbeaten by the Rain. While he was ill, he continued to write, memorializing thoughts such as the quote, I came into this world for my mental, physical, spiritual training. Because of this, I should not fear or run away from the reality of the hardships of life. Though his work became most popular after his passing, it was clear he still lived his life as if were a training. So we are, as you know, we are one group recently started, and we joined the Chinese New Year parade this year. Last year joined, and this is the second time. And last year was clear day, beautiful night. But I wish the clear day again. I pray Kami-sama God, please, good weather. And I was kind of around noontime that day, same day, February 4th, walking with my dog, Arigato-kun, and the rain start. I kind of disappointed. And then, but they think, wow, Chinese people, community, have been doing this Chinese parade every kind of winter season, night times, and I researched a little bit how long ago started, and I find out 150 years ago, and it's continued till today, no matter what, rain or wind.
Oh, the Chinese New Year's parade?
Yes.
Started 150 years ago?
Yes.
Wow.
And the so that evening, ready to start walk. Heavier rain days, about heavier and the wind is strong. So, but I explained to everybody what I came to my mind to explain my group. We respect. I really respect the Chinese people. No wonder they are very successful in many areas in this country or other area. So we should beat them. We shouldn't beat them by rain or wind. Unbeaten by rain or wind. That's we should. So everybody has great spirit. So we accomplish it without the kind of yeah yeah weak spirits. More we had a great spirit. So the so as we face the tough situation in our lives, we can either complain and criticize and act from kind of negative emotion came out. But no matter what, we have to keep smile and laugh. Arigato. So I'm challenging physical condition, but I try to smile. It's not easy when you pain. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's today the yeah. Okay, and let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. Today's there's many more.
Oops, this came off.
What? Uh-oh.
You want me just to hold it on there?
I think it should be.
Should be okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
雨風に負けずほら came out again. What?
Sorry, guys, we're having technical difficulties with this holder here.
Can you move that phone down?
Uh-huh. Bear with us. Sorry. I'll just hold it. Could it mean that we need a new one? We might need a new holder.
This time. All right.
Okay.
Okay. See it?
Yeah. Hope I didn't break it.
Okay, this is the final one, and then this is yeah, I mean, work is okay. So first of all, I show you this. This is for the beginner. Beginner is the dot and the hook. Dot.
Hook?
Hook. Yeah,
Hook.
dot, and then this.
It's the other way.
Another yeah, kind of. So I show you how to do it. This. It's yeah, this time correct as the dot, same dot, and then dot, okay, dot, like this, okay, and then this time dot 45 degree angle dot, and then dot down, dot this up, this side, same dot down, like this, okay, and then another one, hook, and then up this way, left, hook, that 40 angle and go straight down, and 40 angle like this, up, 40 angle, and down, and up, okay, and then other side, 45 angle down, and this way, down. So you can practice this 30 times. Okay, and for the beginner, anybody can practice. That's a good training. Yeah, and advanced student or beginner, anybody. Okay, then now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 負けず行う。Okay, I show you this how to write the first of all, before first of all, one character we can do the just especially for beginner, one character. Today this the act or goal, I mean the gyo, iku or gyo, to do something, to act. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple. And next is that's a sitting style. This is this time. Go. This is a walking style. And next is running style. Running style is that's it. Very simple. Okay.
That looks like the number 13.
Number 13. Okay, and that's all right for I show you one. These are whole things. Whole things right. Okay. Ame. 1, 2, 3. Hook. Center here, down. Small line here. It's a rain. Kaze is go down and hook. And then this is, it looks like a mushi worm, but this is a dragon. Dragon on top there. This is a cloud. On top of the cloud and fly by wind. So there's a wind. Yeah. Okay, 買うのに負け、買う風、雨風に負けず。負けず。負けず行う。雨風に負けず行う。So this is a sitting style, right? And next is the walking style. This is the walking style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 負けず。1, 2, 3. Now. Okay, this is a walking style. running style. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 負けず So this is a running style. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Very good.
Yeah,
Okay.
and that's the okay. Okay, thank you. If whoever want to join my class, this good training for mind, body, soul, spirit, Conco SF 2 @sbcglobal.net 415-517-5563. Please contact here and so you can buy if you want to join. You can buy a kit at the Nijiya or Kinokuniya bookstore. This stationery store in front of a book Kinokuniya, but kind of expensive over there. So you can contact me. I have some part, a piece, so you can purchase from me. Okay, thank you. Take care. ありがとうございます。Breathe in, breathe out. No, breathe in the whole day. Then breathe out. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。お世話になります。お世話になります。おめでとうございます。おめでとうございます。ありがとう。
Okay, feel better soon, Sensei. Thank you for taking the time.
Okay.
Okay, bye. See you.